video, we're going to make beautiful, yummy, tropical flavors. I'm going to make Blondie cups. Okay, they're filled with lemon curd and blueberry. So let's get started. So for this Blondie recipe, I'm using some unsalted butter. Now to this butter, I'm going to add my brown sugar and castor sugar. Now using an electric beater, beat everything until it's smooth. So once everything is mixed, we're going to go ahead and add our egg. If you want an eggless version, please check the description. You can use a quarter cup of curd instead of egg. Once this has been incorporated, scrape the sides, and we're going to add in our dry ingredients, which is the salt, baking powder, baking soda, and our flour. So our base Blondie batter is ready. Now since we're using tropical flavors for this, I'm just going to add some dry coconut flakes. This is totally optional. If you don't like coconut, you don't have to add it. And a little bit of white chocolate chopped. This is also optional. Give it a nice mix. So I'm going to make these filled Blondies into cups. So I'm using the silicone cupcake tray. You can use even like a regular 6-inch pan or anything, a round or a square pan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of the batter and make them into cups like this. Now I have some homemade lemon curd. If you want the recipe of this, it's egg free. You can check the description or click the I above. I'm going to fill this with the lemon curd. Now optional, you can also add some blueberry. If you have fresh or frozen, you can add that. I have neither, so I'm just using some pulp. And then with the remaining batter, seal the cup and using an offset spatula or a knife, just level this up. So I'm going to do the same thing for everything else and get back. So we've got 6 cups here. We did the filling the same way with blueberry and lemon curd. And I'm going to put this on a baking tray. I put it on a baking tray and this bakes at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Since these are small cups, if you're doing this in a bigger one pan, like a 6-inch pan, it will take about 35 to 40 minutes. Since these are small size cups, it will bake faster. So once they're baked, I'm going to show you how it looks. So our Blondie filled cups are all ready out of the oven, and I let them chill in the fridge before demolding. And this is how they look. Let's cut into one. And you'll see the beautiful blueberry and the lemon curd filling. And with the coconut and blueberry and lemon, it's a tropical flavor burst. So these are very good for travel if you want to put it in your dessert hamper or for the festive season. They're great and they last for days. So I really hope you like this video. If you make this, do tag us on social media. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.